So here is a little guy. We're calling him Pumpernickel. And Pumpernickel's newer to the shelter. It's actually a female. So I didn't mean to say little guy in pejorative. Cute little female pit bull mix. It's got some skin issues. This young lady is very friendly, but she doesn't know the rules really well, and she's eager to learn, very treat motivated, starving for attention. She really wants everybody's attention all the time. Oh, did you cough when you rejected that one, huh? You're a little too fast. So that's Pumpernickel. We don't have a name for this one yet, but it's a little boy. He's still a puppy, just 1.5 years old. Getting me close to the full size. Hi. He's not quite sure of this place, but he takes his treats gently. Hi. Oh, a little nervous, I understand. It was found in Sandy on Nettie Connet Drive. So if you know this pupster, give us a call. We're going to find a good home for him. So here's another newer doggy. And this is a spayed female. This is a senior doggy. She's 13. And she looks like a real sweetie. We're calling her Rachel here, but she's probably had another name for a long time. We just don't know it. So this was found on Road 48 on Highway 35. This week's Spotlight dog is Sophie, the Pit Bull Terrier. Sophie is a big girl with lots of energy and loves to be with people. However, Sophie is not always fond of the other doggies she meets and has a low tolerance for having her safe space invaded by boisterous doggies. So we are looking for a special home without cats or dogs for Sophie, and kids should be at least 13 years old. Sophie has been doing muscle training with staff to get her ready for safe excursions into doggy territory, on walks, or at the park. Staff is working with Sophie, and she is very happy and eager to please. Staff can demonstrate Sophie's training regimen for you, so you can continue the training at home. Sophie is very treat motivated and will sit, speak, and lay down to get her treats. Sophie is healthy, happy, and often goofy, and has a long life ahead of her, and is looking for the perfect special home. If you visit the shelter to see Sophie, be sure to ask staff to set up a one-on-one meeting for you outside of her kennel, so you can see her at her best and sweetest. So here we have a little Pomachi, Pomeranian Chihuahua mix. And this is a 4-year-old female. She's nervous. It takes her a few minutes to warm up to people. But as you can see, when she knows you, you're in good. She loves you. Oh, good girl. So this one was found off Holcomb and Winston in Oregon City. So if this is missing from your couch, give us a call. Otherwise, we'll be taking good care of her here. If you recognize this pup, let the owner know. Hi. Here's another new guy. This is a male Rottweiler, or Rottweiler mix. Hi. He likes to talk. I think he's a friendly talker, though. He's 5 years old, and he was found in Canby, Oregon, at says unknown intersection. So he was just walking on the unknown streets of Canby, Oregon. If you recognize this fella, I'm sure he'd like to go home. He's got a little cough happening. Seems like he's a very sweet guy once he gets to know you, but he announces himself with a big voice. They're calling him Durham here, if you want to refer to his name, but that's just his shelter name. He's got another name in Canby. Oh my goodness. So we have a wonderful big senior here named Hank. Hank is an English Mastiff, and we approximate 11 years old. And he is a sweet big boy looking to rest his bones. But he's still got a smile and a waggledy tail for you to get his treats and to go out on his walks. He's got some skin issues happening. Looks like he could have been cut up. Very sweet demeanor. So this is another stray, and it's a pretty timid girl. I think she's a 2-year-old German short hair pointer mix. And it's loud in here for her. She likes people, but she's not sure about all the strange noises in here. It's all very scary. Oh, you get it. Well, she has her fun with her food. So this is a very pretty girl. I'm sure there's somebody missing her. If you recognize her, give us a call. Found off Leland Road in Oregon City. This is Aurora, and Aurora is a border collie. She's about 6. Newer to the shelter here too, as she's a happy girl and she likes it outside, even if it is a little bit smoky. The dog's getting their yayas in before it gets too hot today, or too smoky. Learning the hand signals. Almost there. Good job, Aurora. Yeah. Good girl. You want to say hi? Hi. Oh, thank you, good girl. So here we have a shepherd mix, another newer dog, and it's a female. And she's got a lot of energy. She doesn't quite look like a puppy, but she's got some puppy behaviors. Maybe she's just boisterous. She likes attention, she likes treats. If you recognize this girl, give us a call. Otherwise, we'll learn more about her as she stays. Here we have a young male Labradoodle. And he is friendly and willing, but he needs to learn a lot. He's going to need someone who's going to help him get down the basics. So he's the best dog citizen he can be. Hi. Still a very young guy. He's going to be active for quite a while. Hi. He's got his buddy over there. Fast friends. We'll see you later.